In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Ultimate Sales Booster to your Shopify store in 2021. First, you want to log into your Shopify account. Head on over to Apps on the left, click Apps. Now head on over to the Visit the Shopify App Store button in the top right. Tap that. Now search for Ultimate Sales Boost. There it is. We want to install the one by Hex Tom. It's a free plan. It has a free plan available and has 4.8 stars. Average reviews when 6,539 people added a review for this product, so it must be very good. Now click Add App. We now need to authorize the application to do these three things. If you're okay with that, click Install App. Now that this is loading, you can even click on View Details to view more of the things that you're authorizing the app to do. And we've already successfully installed and added Ultimate Sales Boost to our Shopify store in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.